Hello class 5, I have given you the syllabus and according to that syllabus, our first chapter is our nervous system, chapter number 5. Okay, now come to the book. Who helps you to remember the way to your school? Who tells you to immediately remove your hand when you touch something hot? It is your nervous system that performs all these tasks and many of them. So as we all know that there are many systems that together perform the functions, isn't it? Respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory systems, nervous system. These are all the systems and they work together. Okay. And what is the work of nervous system? That our nervous system makes us remind every time, isn't it? We are going to school, the way we are following every day, the same way we are coming to school, isn't it? Next, when you touch something hot, what we usually do, we remove our hand. So, these are the expressions which are commanded by our brain, isn't it? Our brain used to command us, our brain used to control us. Means the nervous system, not brain, actually the nervous system together make us alert all the time. Okay. Now, the nervous system controls the activities of all the other organ systems of our body. This system consists of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. Let's gather more knowledge about them. So, we are going to study different organs that involve in this nervous system. The first one is brain, spinal cord and nerves. These three makes our nervous system. Now, come to the brain. The first part is brain. The brain is the boss or the control center of our body. It controls all body parts and their activities. So brain is the main part, isn't it? Body का जो main part होता है, that is called brain. Brain ही जो है पूरी body को control करता है. So the whole body is controlled by our brain, isn't it? And the brain performs many functions. What are those? Our brain performs the following main functions. Number 1, it coordinates and controls body processes like breathing, digestion of food, etc. Means breath कर रहे हम लोग, digest होता है food, और भी जो बहुत सारा काम है, सर्कुलेशन, ये सभी जो है ब्रेन कोऑर्डिनेट और कंट्रोल करता है. ओके. नंबर 2, इट कंट्रोल्स द मूवमेंट ऑफ द बॉडी एंड इट्स वेरियस पार्ट्स. हम लोग बॉडी को मूव कर रहे हैं, हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट देखकर रिमूव कर देते हैं, एंड दैट दिस आर ऑल कंट्रोल बाय आवर ब्रेन. नंबर 3, इट इंटरप्रेट्स sensations and allow the body to react accordingly. For example, when you touch anything hot, your brain immediately sends signals to your hand to withdraw from there. As I told you that the brain always makes us alert, isn't it? It always gives a signal wherever we have to put it or not, we have to do it or not. Okay. Now, the last one is it enables us to think, learn, memorize and apply logic. So everything we get to learn by our brain, isn't it? We learn, memorize everything by our brain. The brain is protected by the skull. It has 3 parts, the cerebrum, cerebellum and brain stem. So next class I am going to discuss more about this. So let's stop till here. Thank you.